And there we go. Okay, so unit number 3. Haha. So, and I know. So I'm gonna show the kitchen. So this 1 bedroom unit comes over to the market with a rental tag of $3,200 extra for the garage, and it's the chandeliers, and it has views. And so we are in the Marina, 66 Retiro Way in the Marina. And once again, this unit comes over to the market with a rental tag of $3,000. Unit number 3 at 66 Retiro Way. Or what you need to do to see it is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez or Ana Coltac, and we will be more than happy to show you this place. Thank you. Have a good day.